Hey, what's up you guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down a trade for you that happened on GBPUSD this morning on 5-minute time frame during New York session, and also I want to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator on this $1,000 account which is live. And I want to show you how many trades we took, how much we made, and what the current status on my FX book is. So let's get started with the results of Gold EA Incubator, because it's kind of faster to do so. And as you know guys, this is a real account. We are up 60% in profit. Today's date is July 20th, and also the last day right here on the chart is July 20th as well. So these crazy drawdowns happen when the market crashed significantly. This one happened because we wanted to test something that caused this huge drop from 137% to 40%, unfortunately, but we are super confident that we'll definitely recover all the losses and we'll reach this peak again. So but even if we lose guys, we just lose part of our profits, not our accounts, because of the risk management system which is built inside the EA. So and also this is the environment of the EA. As you know guys, these lines are for a news indicator, so it stops trading 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after each high impact news. These yellow lines, these white dashes or lines are where the EA opened and closed trades. So there are some arrows here that you can see. This is where exactly the EA opened the trades and it closed them right here. And this is our account history that I can actually show you. $100 withdrawal, and I can scroll down all the way. You can see the profits and the losses here, but in overall we've been profitable. So let's get into this trade that happened on GBPUSD guys. It's a super cool one, and I want to do a little bit of replay so I can show you why I took this trade. So as you know, I always trade during the New York session, and what I do is that I analyze the market on GBPUSD, GBJPY, NAS 100, and Euro USD. I don't know if I said that or not. Gold, I don't trade it because the EA does it for me automatically. I don't have to do it, but it's exactly right here. 8 a.m. started here, and then a few minutes after that, or I would say almost an hour after that, I noticed that we have a high probability demand zone right here, because if I cover the last two bearish candles before this huge move, you're able to see that this is the first candle that got out of the zone. The next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this candle and this zone right here, which makes this zone a high probability demand zone. So what I need to do now is just to wait for the price to reach this level, and then I can take my buy position if it gives me a good confirmation. If you pay attention to this area, you'll also notice that we have this high probability supply zone right here. Can you see that guys? This one is a high probability supply zone. The reason is that it's the last bullish candle, and this is the first candle that got out of the zone. Again, the next candle after that never tapped into the zone, so there's a gap in between. This gap makes this zone a high probability demand zone. So I just waited and waited to see how long it takes until it reaches my zone, and this is the first candle that literally tapped into this zone. As you can see, there's a beautiful candle that formed here. So what I personally do is to put my buy stop here, and then I usually put my stop loss right here, or I can also put it below the candle. It's kind of riskier, and you can take your 1-to-1 if you want to. So this is how I took it guys. Super cool. As I said, you can also extend your TP all the way to the next high probability supply zone, which is right here. And then as you can see, there's a push towards downside from sellers that allows you to set another sell stop below that, and then you can put your stop loss above that. So if I want to take another 1-to-1, I probably can do it. I'm not sure. Yes, I can also take advantage of both sides. See guys, by just identifying proper areas, high probability supply and demand zones, you can literally take a high quality trade. I took one here based on a high probability demand zone, and one right here based on this high probability supply zone. And if you know the patterns of each candle properly, you can literally, confidently enter the trade with no hesitation. But if you don't know how they act, like how each candle acts, then you cannot really do it, you know, or if you do it, it's gonna be a poor quality trade. So I took this buy. I could take this sell as well. I didn't take it, but I did it in front of you to see if I can take my 1-to-1 or not, and I did, and it hit another this high probability demand zone, which is not valid anymore. So 2 trades, guys, on GBPUSD that happened literally in the same time frame. That's what I'm saying, guys. Focus on one time frame, one session, and then you're set. You don't have to do something crazy, or you don't have to like sit behind the charts 24/7 to take a look at the market to see when it's giving you an opportunity. Choose a session, just relax, sit behind the charts for 2 hours, and then you're done for the day if you're a scalper, guys. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this strategy or the results of Gold Incubator, feel free to drop your comment below this video, and then I personally get back to you and answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about this strategy, which I highly recommend you to do, go check out the video that I made specifically for high probability supply and demand zones, and I'm going to add a card above this video, so when you click on it after watching this video, it's going to take you to that main video, and I highly recommend you to watch it if you are not profitable and you're just sick and tired of trying and failing. And if you're a scalper, another advantage, you can get out of the market as soon as possible, this strategy is one of the best ones. There's no indicator, nothing at all. It's just a zone. As you can see, I take my trade, sell trade, buy trade, done for the day. That's it, guys. Hope you have a profitable day, and see you soon.